Hey, it's Kevin Scharfenberg, your local real estate expert, and today we're in beautiful Clinton, British Columbia. Today we're showcasing 408 Fir Ave. The home is super cute inside. You've got a great big front yard, lots of room for parking. You've got a big backyard with a large sun deck. Let's go inside and have a look. Upstairs you have your living room with a large window that brings in plenty of natural light. You have a gas fireplace. You've got your dining room here. There is a door to get to your large sun deck. And then you have your kitchen with a little eat-in bar, some tile floor, and then down the hall you have 3 bedrooms and a 4-piece bathroom. Downstairs you have this great playground. It's perfect for a workshop, what it is set up for now. You've got updated electrical, so there's plugs for all of your equipment. Or if you didn't want this space to be a shop, you could convert it back into a living room. Down the hall, you have 2 more rooms, one larger one smaller one. You have a 3-piece bath, and your laundry is also down here. Now, if you have pets or you have kids, you're really going to enjoy this fully fenced backyard. You have access on both sides of the house. If you like to garden, there is a greenhouse ready to go for you to plant your favorite fruits and vegetables. You get tons of sun, as you can see. You're on a quiet street. You've got a pad under the deck, which is concrete. Perfect place to set up your patio furniture for those hotter months, or if you like soaking up the sun, sit up on top. You also have a storage shed, which is perfect for all your lawn and garden tools or those extra tires. If you'd like some more information, reach out to your realtor, or better yet, give somebody for office a call. We're happy to help.